Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum. This is Musarrat and you are watching 5 W's of English Literature. Dear viewers, today's video is about William Shakespeare's life event. Before starting today's video, let's have some points to remember about William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare's century is 16th and 17th. William Shakespeare's era is Elizabethan and Jacobean. Elizabethan era is the reign of Queen Elizabeth, who ruled from 1533 to 1603, and Jacobean era is the reign of King James I, who ruled from 1603 to 1625. And Shakespeare was equally famous among both of these rulers. Shakespeare's movement is English Renaissance. Let's start life events of William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare, England's national poet and the Bard of Avon, is considered the greatest dramatist of all time. But Shakespeare's personal life is shrouded in mystery. Today we know little things about Shakespeare. For example, while William Shakespeare's reputation is based primarily on his plays, but he became famous first as a poet. Today, we have two primary sources that provide information about the life of Shakespeare. One is his work, the plays, poems, and sonnets, and the other is official documentation, such as church and court records. However, these provide only brief sketches of specific events in his life. Meaning of the Shakespeare. In the handful of signatures that have survived, the bard never spelled his last name according to today's version of Shakespeare. He spelled his name William Shakespeare in more than 80 different ways, using variations or abbreviations such as. However, Shakespeare is thought to derive from the Old English words shaken, to brandish, and spear, and it refers to a confrontational or argumentative person. Education of William Shakespeare. In the times of Shakespeare, there was a grammar school of good quality in Stratford, King's New School. It was about a quarter mile from his home. No lists of the pupils who were at the school in the 16th century have survived. Most biographers agree that Shakespeare was probably educated at this school in Stratford because in this school the education was free and the schoolmaster's salary being paid by the borough, and the Shakespeare's father, John Shakespeare, was a burgess of the borough, who in 1565 was chosen an alderman, and in 1568 bailiff. And the biographers agree that it would be absurd to suppose the bailiff of the town did not send his son there. The education in the grammar school consists mostly of Latin studies, learning to read, write, and speak the language fairly well, and an intensive education in grammar based upon Latin classical authors. Shakespeare did not go on to the university, and indeed it is unlikely that the scholarly studies of the university would have interested him. But this uncertainty regarding his education has led some to raise questions about the authorship of his work and even about whether or not Shakespeare really existed. Marriage of William Shakespeare. At the age of 18, in November 1582, Shakespeare married an 8 years older woman, Anne Hathaway, 26 years old, who was 3 months pregnant at the time. On 27th November 1582, The Consistory Court of the Diocese of Worcester issued a marriage license, and the couple's marriage was only announced at church once instead of the customary 3 times. On November 28, 1582, the Episcopal Registry at Worcester preserves a bond executed by two of Hathaway's neighbors and yeomen of Stratford, named Sandals and Richardson, as a security for the marriage of William Shakespeare and Anne Hathaway of Stratford upon the consent of her friends. Lost years of William Shakespeare. There are 7 years of Shakespeare's life where no records exist after the birth of his twins in 1585, and Shakespeare left few historical traces. How Shakespeare spent the next 7 years or so is not known. Scholars refer to the years between 1585 and 1592 as Shakespeare's lost years. These are stories how Shakespeare spent the lost years. Fled the town. Nicholas Rowe, Shakespeare's first biographer, recounted a Stratford legend that Shakespeare fled the town for London to escape prosecution for stealing deer. In the state of local squire Thomas Lucy of Charley Court near Stratford. Country schoolmaster. John Aubrey reported that Shakespeare had been a country schoolmaster. Some scholars suggested that Shakespeare may have been employed as a schoolmaster by Alexander Houghton of Lancashire, a Catholic landowner. A soldier. It has also been conjectured that he was a soldier, perhaps in the Low Countries. Member of household. It has also been conjectured that Shakespeare spent some time as a member of a great household, minding the horses of theatre goers. It has also been conjectured that Shakespeare went to London and gaining entry to the world of theatre by minding the horses of theatre goers. Studied law. Shakespeare is also supposed to study law, travel across continental Europe. It has also been conjectured that Shakespeare travelled across continental Europe, joined an acting troupe. It has also been conjectured that Shakespeare joined an acting troupe that was passing through Stratford. Dear viewers, this is the end of today's video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, give your comment, like and share my video. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.